You got the commercial grade 3-compartment sink leak repair. As you can see, I'm spinning this one off from the top. This is the one that has the side valves where you can stop the water. I'm also going to cut the PVC right here so I don't have to worry about, getting into a whole bunch of bull crap. This is the rubber gasket I'm going to replace, and I'm cleaning this mating surface right here. I want to make sure that I have a nice surface that I can put my plumber's putty against. So you want to clean this really well. So here's my slip cupping. This is actually 1.5 inches. Most of these drains are 1.5 inches. So I got my plumber's putty sitting on top right here where I'm going to screw down and on the top of the T&S valve itself. So I got the water going in, just making sure there's no leaks going on. And this is super hot water. So here you go. You see I got the plumber's putty in between the rubber gasket. No leak at all anywhere. Looks good. And you just want to make sure you're not leaking around at all. You don't want any callbacks on stuff like this whatsoever. So now that looks good. You want to also check and make sure that it holds water good without it leaking anywhere, which it was. There's my slip coupling. I just coupled it in. And this is the valve where I'll let it hold the water, which it held water very well. And here's a picture of that. So make sure y'all like and subscribe for more fixes and more information.